Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your internal linking strategy with Screaming Frog, full guide step by step clearly. Open Screaming Frog and enter your website's URL in the search bar. Click on the Start button to initiate the crawl. Once the crawl is complete, navigate to the Internal tab. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of all the internal links on your website. Focus on the address column, which displays the URLs of the pages. Next, review the source column to see where each link is originating from. Identify any pages with a low number of internal links. Take note of pages that have high authority but lack sufficient linking. Use the External tab to examine backlinks and assess incoming traffic. Now, switch to the All Links tab for a detailed view of each link's attributes. Export your data by clicking on Export to save your findings as a CSV file. Open the CSV file in your preferred spreadsheet program for analysis. Look for orphan pages that do not receive internal links from other pages. Assess the relevance of potential pages for linking to your identified orphan pages. Create a plan to update the internal linking structure based on your findings. Start building internal links from high-performing pages to those that need more links. Ensure that links are contextually relevant and enhance user experience. Finally, monitor the performance of your updated internal linking strategy over time. Adjust your strategy as necessary based on analytics and site performance data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.